Hi guys, welcome back to Like Sisters. My name is Sumaya. Today we're going to show you how to make Tajikistan's international food called Oshi palov. So let's get started. What you need is like some meat, some cut up carrots, some garlic, some rice, some oil, and you need more meat. So let's get started. So basically, I put a little bit of meat over here. You basically put it like here, and then this side, and then you just start rolling it like that. And then we have a needle and thread, and we're just going to be passing it through.
Be careful so you cannot hurt your fingers.
Just like that. And so now we're going to be moving to the other side with our oil. So let's move on here.
I'm going to put
this in the stove and turn on the stove. Okay, so since I turned on the stove, now I'm going to take the oil and pour it in. Can I see if I have enough? No, more. A little bit more. Need a little bit more. Putting in the oil. Now I got my leaves back here. So the salads, we just.
She looks like a bracelet or something. Yeah. Our teacher and our student of our class love this country food, so we decided to make this food for you guys also, so you guys can enjoy also.
It's really yummy. We love it. Our family loves it. Our teacher used to love it in Turkey, and like all my teachers were like into fourth grade. We would put this, give these foods for international day, and they would always ask us, "Oh, how did you make this? How did you make this?" You should totally have your mom teach us how to make it. So yeah, and then also our students in the class also loved it too. So
I think you guys should also make this food.
yeah,
super delicious.
you might love it as much as we do.
Okay guys,
We put them in, and we took these out because once you're adding the carrots, that the carrots are just gonna rip this out. So
and this has to be like a little reddish, blackish like that, and then this is how it's supposed to look, and then
yeah, so we put in the meat, and we put this again when we're putting water in it. So you can see that part if you watched it. Put that over there. I'm gonna mix it one more time.
so it could be nice and cheap.
Yeah.
And it should be like bubbling.
Yeah, ours is bubbling. Now we are gonna be okay guys, now we got our carrots and we're gonna be putting them in. Can you take let's just take out this bit. So let's just put them in. Okay. Guys, we finished. We mixed them up. Okay, now let me just this here, put the lid back on. So we need to put the lid back on and let it still for a while. And see you when we're putting in the rice.
And see you when it's cooked.
Yeah. Guys, our thing is ready. Not really ready, but now for the rice, we put it into the water for 20 minutes.
And we have many eggs.
Mini fried eggs. And so yeah.
And this is how it looks.
Guys, if you're wondering what the main black things are, small dried grapes. Yeah. So let's just mix it. I'm flattening it out, the rice, and we're gonna be letting it still until the water of it dries. So let's just close it. Okay, guys. So this is our thing, our garlic. We put the garlic and everything. Once our water dried, we put the garlic and everything. And now we're gonna be putting the lid, and we're not gonna be touching it for half an hour. So like 30 minutes. Can you close the lid? You can't open it or just check on it or anything. Just let it still.
And this is how that little is gonna.
Okay, guys, let's start tasting. So I'm gonna try. It's super good. You should guys totally try it, and you might like it as much as we do. See you next time. And don't forget to check our Facebook account here.
And make sure you like and subscribe
If you want more videos like this.
See you next time. Goodbye.